Good afternoon, everyone. So today we are going to discuss finding the asymptote for the rational function. Okay? So pag sinabi nating asymptote, okay, it is a line or a curve that the graph of a function gets close to but does not touch. Okay? So meron tayong tatlong asymptote, no? First is the vertical asymptote. So, paano ba kukunin si vertical asymptote? Okay? So, for the vertical asymptote, equate the denominator equal to 0 and solve for x. So, for example, we have f of x is equal to 1 over x plus 1. So here, ang gagawin lang natin para makuha si vertical asymptote, so VA is equal to x plus 1 equal to 0. And then, transpose natin. Solve for x. So x is equal to negative 1. So yung vertical asymptote natin is nasa negative 1. So pag i-graph natin yan, okay, 1, negative 1. So since nasa x-axis siya, so ito yung negative 1 natin, pa-vertical, so meaning, pag-ganin lang. Okay? So this is x is equal to negative 1. Next. Next naman is yung horizontal asymptote. Okay? So horizontal asymptote naman, no? Meron tayong tatlong basehan. Okay? So, meron tatlong basehan. Una, if n is less than m, okay, the graph of f has the line y is equal to 0. So, ano yung si n at saka si m? Si n at saka si m, makikita yan sa degree ng ating rational function. For example, we have 3x squared over 3x squared plus 1 over x cubed. Okay? Si n, makikita siya sa numerator. Okay? Yan yung degree ng ating numerator. At si m naman, yan yung degree ng ating denominator, yung highest degree nila. Okay? So, for example dito, no? 3x squared plus 1 over x cubed. Si n natin dito is 2. At saka, si m natin is 3. No? 2 ito, ha? Yan. Degree ng ating first term. Okay? Yung highest degree. Okay, for example, 3x squared plus x cubed plus 1 over x cubed plus x raised to 4 plus 1. So, ano yung n natin dyan? Si n natin is yung highest degree. That is 3. So, first, i-arrange muna natin siya. X cubed plus 3x squared plus 1 over x raised to 4 plus x cubed plus 1. Okay? So, meaning, our n here is 3 and our m here is 4. Okay? Yan yung basehan natin sa pagkuha ng horizontal asymptote. Okay? So, kapag daw si n is less than m, the graph of f has the line y is equal to 0 as a horizontal asymptote. So, automatic, kapag mas malaki si n kesa kay m, or I mean, kapag mas maliit si n kesa kay m, meaning, yung horizontal asymptote natin is nasa y is equal to 0. Automatic na yan siya. For example, okay? For example, we have f of x is equal to 4x squared cube. No. X over x squared plus 1. Ito lang. Okay? So, ano yung degree dito ni n? Diba 1? At yung degree dito ni m is 2. Okay? So, since 1 is less than 2, then, therefore, y is equal to 0. So, yung horizontal asymptote na nasa 0. Okay? So, kung i-graph natin yung horizontal asymptote, since y is equal to 0, meaning nasa dito, nasa origin. Okay, and then yung kanyang graph is pa-horizontal naman. So, ganun mo lang yan ng graph dyan. Okay, nasa x-axis siya. Okay? Kasi pa-horizontal siya eh. Okay, next. If n is equal to m, the graph of f has the line y is equal to a sub n over b sub m as a horizontal asymptote. So, for example, ito naman. Ang iyong rational function is f of x is equals to x over x plus 1. So, kapag ganyan, no, equal yung degree ni numerator at saka ng degree ni denominator. So, n is equal to m. Okay, m is equal to 1. Then, n is equal to m, 1 is equal to 1. Okay. So, ang gagawin lang natin is kukunin lang natin yung degree ni numerator, the coefficient of your numerator and the coefficient of your denominator. Yung highest coefficient niya. Okay? So, yan yung si a sub n at saka si b sub m. Okay? Coefficient ng iyong pinakamataas na degree sa numerator and then coefficient ng iyong pinakamataas na degree sa denominator. Okay. So, dito, anong coefficient ni x? Diba 1? Pag sinabi nga natin coefficient, a number together with your term. Okay? Okay. So, dito, coefficient ni x is 1. Coefficient din ni x dito is 1. So, that is equal to 1. So, y is equal to 1. Meaning, ang iyong horizontal asymptote is nasa y is equal to 1. So, kung i-graph natin yan, this is 1 for y-axis and then 1 for x-axis. Okay. This is y is equal to 1, meaning yan yung graph ng ating horizontal asymptote. So, another example. F of x is equals to 3x squared plus 2x plus 1 over 2x squared plus 5x plus 2. Okay. So, yung hahanapin mo lang is itong dito na side. Okay? Kasi nga, nasa highest term na sila or nasa highest degree. Okay? And since n is equal to m, no? 2 is equal to 2, meaning y is equal to a sub n over b sub m. Meaning, yung coefficient ni n is 3 and then coefficient ni m is 2. Okay, so your horizontal asymptote is nasa y is equal to 3 over. So, kung i-graph natin yan, no? Nasa 3 over 2, meaning 1 and 1 half. 1, 2, and then 2, 1. Okay, 1 and 1/2 dito. So this is the graph of y is equals to 3/2. Okay, next. Punta naman tayo sa next condition. Okay. So if n is greater than m, the graph has no horizontal asymptote, no? Kapag mas malaki yung degree ni ni n kaysa kay m, meaning wala siyang horizontal asymptote. For example, x raised to 5 plus 2x plus 1 over x cubed plus 1. Okay? Since mas malaki si n kaysa kay m, meaning it has no horizontal asymptote. Okay, ganyan lang kadali. Basta malaki yung highest degree ni numerator kaysa kay denominator, meaning wala siyang horizontal asymptote. Okay, next. Punta naman tayo sa oblique or slant asymptote. So pag sinabi nating oblique or slant asymptote, no? Kapag, okay, so if the numerator has a degree, okay, tandaan nyo, degree ha, that is 1 higher than the denominator, okay, then it has an oblique or slant asymptote. Okay, so kapag daw ang inyong degree ng inyong numerator is higher, or that is 1 higher than the denominator, meaning meron siyang oblique or slant asymptote. Okay? So pag ganyan, pag dito sa horizontal asymptote, diba, pag mataas yung degree ng numerator sa denominator, meaning wala siyang horizontal asymptote. Pero kapag mas mataas lang siya ng 1 degree sa iyong denominator, okay, so meron siyang oblique or slant asymptote. Okay, so paano ma-solve yan? So to solve this, i-divide mo lang yung numerator mo sa denominator using long division or synthetic division. For example, okay, so for the example of the oblique or slant asymptote, for example, we have f of x is equal to x squared minus 5x plus 6 over x minus 2. So here, mas malaki ng isa yung degree ng ating numerator kaysa sa denominator. So ang gagawin natin is to solve the oblique or slant asymptote using long division or synthetic division. So using synthetic division, x minus 2 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2, and then kunin natin yung mga coefficients nila, then 2, 1, negative 5 and 6, bring down 1 times 2, that is 2, okay, plus negative 2, okay, negative 5 plus 2, that is negative 3, negative 3 times 2, negative 6, cancel, 0, okay, meaning ang ating oblique asymptote or ang ating equation is x, okay, x minus 3. Okay, so our y is equal to x minus 3. So yan yung ating equation para sa oblique asymptote. So para magamit natin yan sa graph, gagawan lang natin to ng table of values. So x, y, 1, 0, negative 1, 2. Okay, so if x is 1, then y is negative 2. If x is 0, negative 3. If x is negative 1, then this is negative 4. If x is 2, then this is negative 1. Okay, so i-plot lang natin yan sa ating table of values. This is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So x is 1, y is negative 2. Okay, so dito siya. X is 0, y is negative 3. X is negative 1, y is negative 4. Okay, x is 2, y is negative 1. So meaning, yung graph natin is ganito. Okay, paslant siya. So that is y is equal to x minus 3. Okay, so that is now the graph of the oblique asymptote, no, sa ating x squared minus 5x plus 6 over x minus 2. Okay, so thank you and God bless.